Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to delete projects in DaVinci Resolve 18. For this, I'm already in my DaVinci Resolve project and I want to delete another one. So what we do is click on this little house button, the home button on the bottom right corner, until my projects pop up. Okay, let's say I want to delete live save. What I do is click it and then right click it and go on delete. There's also the shortcut for Mac users. Click on delete and then this pops up. You can't undo this action. I just click on delete and that's it. Okay, that was a little hack on how to delete projects in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.